Each run? First time namin dito ni Travis. Pating na yung curd ni Travis, guys. Try ko yung gyoza nila. Ayan, punta tayo sa loob. Thrift store! Hi guys! Welcome back sa aming channel! Happy Valentine's Day, guys! Pauwi pa lang ako. Galing akong work ngayon. Nandito pa rin ako sa work. And balak namin ni Travis kumain sa labas. Pauwi ako. Tapos, after pagdating ko, alis agad kami. Punta kaming, hindi ko alam kung Japanese restaurant siya or what. Hindi ko alam kung Asian restaurant, pero we'll see kung, kasi madaming ngayon kumakain sa labas, so we'll see kung anong medyo hindi busy, yung kung anong restaurant yung hindi busy, no? So yun, Happy Valentine's Day everyone! Nakakatuwa, last Valentine's na, dalawa lang kami ni Travis, no? So next year na Valentine's, may kasama na, may baby na kami. Nakauwi na ako ng bahay, alis na kami ngayon ni Travis. Start niya muna yung dishwasher.
Okay.
Naman. Medyo makalat ang bahay namin ngayon, guys, kasi magka-camping si Travis bukas. Hindi ako kasama kasi may pasok ako. So, yun lang. May pasok ako bukas. Babe, I need my pill. Hindi pa ko minum kasi. Dadala na lang ako kasi yun kami kakain. And mayroon nakitang restaurant si Travis na pupuntahan namin ngayon. We'll see kung maganda yung napili niyang restaurant. First time namin doon kakain. Minsan pag lumalabas kami, nagbabaon lang ako ng ano ko. Ng pill. Yung prenatal ko. Let's go, mga beshi. You be good girl, okay? Mom and Daddy's gonna come back, okay? I love you. You go to your bed, dali. Go to your bed. I love you, baby. Wawa naman ang baby ko. We will come back.
Your roof may be affected by Virginia winter storm.
Ito lang, ganito na lang i-celebrate namin. Kakain ka lang kami sa labas.
I mean, I like it. It's nice.
Head southeast on Susquehanna
Gutom na.
Drive toward Arrowhead Road.
Ano ba naman yan pa? Gutom na rin si Travis kasi, guys, hindi siya kumain. Nantay niya talaga akong makauwi.
In 1,000 feet,
Sabi
turn
niya
left
bago
on Hillprints Road.
bago siya kakain. Tayo niya lang daw ako, tapos labas kami, kain kami. It's a good day to go out.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't mind the Jeep. This one's kind of a nice Jeep, so
Yeah. Gamit namin ngayon is a different one.
I think ours is way nicer.
Yung
I mean, ours is also like leather, Rubicon. It's like a $20,000 upgraded package if it had
Yeah.
an engine.
yeah.
I'm gonna make a video about that too. Like
Nasa dealer kasi, it's not in the dealer, our Jeep, right?
it is. Yeah,
Nasa dealer kasi yung
The
yung
Jeep
Jeep
dealer.
namin. Tapos meron silang binigay na rental namin, yun.
Oh, look at that little stool. Maybe we want that.
Really? They just put it outside?
Yeah.
Some people here, guys, if they want to get rid of their furniture, appliances, or other kind of stuff, they will just put it outside their house, and then if somebody will take it, ganun lang sila. Tapos minsan tinatapon lang nila sa basurahan, or either they will donate it to Goodwill or sa mga ibang mga parang ewan ko, sa mga donation center, ganun dito. Kaya may makikita kayo, di ba, mga Pinay na gano'n sila, ganun. Kasi totoo yun na madami talagang tinatapon sila na madaming magagandang gamit pa. As in, yung magagamit mo pa talaga. Yung iba kasi dito, yung parang pag nagsawa na lang, itatapon na lang, ganun. Tapos bibili sila ng bago. Oh. So yun. We'll see kung saang restaurant yun. You chose a different one, right?
Yeah,
Oh, it's
I don't
near.
think we've been to this one.
Yeah, so we'll see guys. Kasi pa namin na-try na kumain doon. And kakain, kasi hindi ko alam, nag-crave ako sa ramen. Balak namin sana kanina Olive Garden. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, parang hindi ko feel kumain ng Olive Garden. Kasi parang iba yung kinikrave ko ngayon, ramen. Kasi it's been a long time na hindi rin ako kumain ng ramen guys. Grabe ilong ko ba? Parang lumalaki na talaga ilong ko. Look at my nose, babe. It looks bigger.
Is it growing with the baby?
Malaki talaga ilong ko. Sabi ng kapatid ko, nag-video call kami. I video called my sister earlier. They said, they keep teasing me. They're like, oh, you look so big now. You're chubby now. Your nose is big. You know your siblings, you know?
Yeah, that's funny.
Pag mga kapatid mo talaga yung kausap mo, sasabihin talaga yung mga alam mo na, yung mga masakit na salita minsan. Yung masakit na salita, yung katotohanan. 'Di ba? Kahit na masaktan ka. Ganun talaga. So we'll see you there, guys.
A few moments later.
Nandito na tayo, guys. We're here. Oh my gosh. Grabe yung amoy. Japanese ramen. What ano yan? Ichiran? First time namin dito ni Travis. We'll see. They're open. Oh wow. I don't know. Hello. For two? Just for two? Yeah. Thank you. Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. What is something to drink?
Water with lemon.
Water with lemon, right?
Thank you. Okay, let's see their menu.
Nice.
Ito yung menu nila, guys. So they have they have gyoza. But I came here for ramen, so let's go to ramen.
She's $8 for the Yeah.
What? Where's the ramen? Oh, right here. There's the ramen. Thank you. So they have cream ramen. Kalam ko nung...
Oh, I know what I'm gonna get.
Which one?
Tonkatsu.
Oh yeah. Where'd you find that? Oh yeah, right here. Tonkatsu ramen, katsu ramen, chicken ramen. I'm gonna get tonkatsu.
And you can get add-ons to the ramen if you wanna.
Really? They have seafood ramen. But I like tonkatsu. That's my favorite. Oh, it's spicy one.
Yeah.
That's fine. Ramen add-ons.
I wonder if the katsu ramen is probably the same.
Kain na kami. Nag-order kami guys ng gyoza, ramen. What did you get, babe?
The chicken katsu curry.
Yun.
I like curry.
Let's see kung masarap talaga yung ano nila dito. Dumating na yung gyoza namin guys. We'll see.
Oh,
Try
they just made
natin.
these fresh.
Try it. Oh my gosh. Is it good? Huh?
Yeah.
Sarap.
You try one.
I didn't like it. Dumating na yung curry ni Travis guys. Try ko yung gyoza nila.
I felt like I felt something cold.
Really?
I started watching Assassination Classroom.
Mm.
I don't think I like it.
No?
It's fun.
I don't like it for one main reason. He cares about his students.
The sauce is good.
Right? So
Try your curry.
I just say, I'm not gonna learn. He says, why?
Ito naman yung ramen ko, guys. Tingnan natin. Gustuhan ni Travis yung yung chicken curry nila. Tikman natin. Sarap? What?
That was ginger. Like straight up. Straight up ginger.
Ang laki ng bowl nila. Busog tayo nito. Alright, let's eat.
It's good. It's definitely nothing like traditional Japan, but it's good.
Really? Oh yeah.
I'm so used to like going to like, you know, like the house. It's good though.
Ito lang muna in-order namin kasi hindi namin alam kung malaki yung bowl nila. Baka mabusog kami agad. So, masarap yung pagkain nila, guys. Did you like your curry?
Yeah, it was good.
Grabe, nabusog ako, guys.
No,
Yung isang bowl. Kaya sabi ko kay Travis, ito lang muna orderin natin kasi yung bowl ng ramen, grabe ang laki. Tapos di ko nga naubos yung sabaw, ininom niya yung, hinigop niya yung sabaw. So yung tonkatsu ramen yung in-order ko, tapos ang in-order niya is curry. Tapos nag-order rin kami ng gyoza. Tapos ngayon dapat magpapagupit ako, guys. Kaso fully book naman yung salon ng Filipina na tawag nito. Nirecommend sa akin ng friend ko. Kaso sabi niya, wala, fully book na ako ngayon eh. Try mo bukas. Ganun. Kasi ayoko kasi mag-try dito ng iba. Diba, alam mo na, pag Filipina kasi maano talaga sila, diba? Oh wow, what is that? Tuxedo. Kasi meron akong co-work, sabi niya. American daw yung nagupit sa kanya. Tapos, hindi naman siguro lahat, no? Yung iba naman kasi dito, mga professional naman na naggugupit, ganyan. Sabi niya, parang sinira, parang inano daw yung buhok niya. Alam mo yun, yung parang inano daw yung buhok niya, parang ginupit lang daw talaga ng hindi niya daw nagustuhan. Kaya parang natatakot ako pumunta sa iba.
I can cut it, you know, little cut. And
Si Travis na daw mag-cut. Noong nakaraan siya naggupit eh. Last time you cut my hair, right?
Yeah.
Oo, siya nagupit nung buhok ko last time. Pwede naman si Travis din. Tapos ako na lang parang layer. Ay mag-trim-trim, no? Kung gusto kong i-trim-trim. Kasi ako dati nagugupit ng buhok ng kapatid ko. Pero ang hirap naman kasi pag ikaw sarili mo, diba? Kaya nung nakaraan si Travis pinagupit ko. Wala pa talaga akong mahanap dito na salon na okay. Kasi hindi pa ako talaga nakatry. Kaya yung Filipinang salon na inano sa akin ng friend ko, fully book naman sila. So yun, hindi ko alam kung kailan ako magpapagupit, guys. So pauwi na kami ni Travis, guys. And
Oh, this is Costco.
oh yeah, that's the Costco. Pauwi na kami ni Travis and then magpapack lang siya ng gamit niya kasi nga alis siya bukas. Are you gonna be sad? Because I'm not there. Green light.
I'll be real sad. I would not want to live in this house. Like right by Costco. What a terrible place to live.
Katapat lang daw ng Costco yung bahay nung Magka-camping siya bukas. Wala kami. Hindi kami kasama ni Kinsley. Oh, you're gonna be sad.
Yeah, it's just gonna be me. How can I sleep?
What do you mean, how can you sleep?
How am I gonna sleep?
You slept your whole life without me, so.
Yeah. Gosh, I slept good, huh?
What?
Huh?
What did you say?
Nothing.
You slept good without me?
Now you wake me up at 5 every morning.
Right? Because Eliana keeps kicking me. I was like, every time I go to the bathroom and then after I pee, it's hard for me to go back to sleep because when your baby is like kicking you, it's hard to go back to sleep.
Like a pressure.
Yeah, and then you have to go to the bathroom again. So yun, kaya nahirapan akong makatulog pag nagigising ako ng madaling araw. Tapos nahirapan din siya makatulog. Sabi niya nahirapan din ako makatulog pag gising ka. What? Sabi niya, nahirapan di ako makatulog pag gising ka kasi
Ang tulog.
si Travis kasi onting ano lang eh. Hindi siya
race car,
makatulog agad.
Oh, there's a thrift store.
Can we go?
You want to?
Yeah. Oh, punta tayo thrift store, guys! Tuntua talaga ako pang makita ko ng ukay.
Shoot, I hope we can get around here. I think it goes around.
Oh yeah, I think so, babe. I think so, babe. See?
We're off-roading, babe. Let's do it.
Pupunta tayo ng ukay-ukay. We'll see, guys.
I think this is it right here, yep.
Oh, shoot. Oh, babe.
Go ahead.
Oh, he will let us.
Alright.
You can park right there. Ang sikip kasi nung daan.
People can't make
It's a
up their mind.
base! Ayan, punta tayo sa loob. Thrift store. Now hiring, guys. 25% off everything, everybody. Everything, everybody. Ewan ko, masaya ako pag pupunta. Hello! Masaya ako pag pupunta ng ukay-ukay, guys. Ano to? Magkano presyo nito? How much is this? Look. Is this 19? I don't know how much is the price. Look. Is that 99 cents?
Probably.
2.99. I don't know how they.
I think it is. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh, this is a big one. Oh, may mga ano rin sila dito, guys. Baso. Before patience. Oh, babe. Look at the jacket. Ito mga jacket, guys. Oh, look at this Puma, babe. $4.99. Hindi ko alam kung paano. Wala man lang ano kasi. Wala man lang kasing point, no? Kaya akala ko $499. Lag-lag. Pero alam mo naman kasi dito sa Virginia, guys, pag nag-summer na din, matagal ang summer dito sa amin kaysa sa winter. Ang ganda nito, $3.99. First time namin dito, guys. May mga books din sila. Oh, magtitingin ako ng pambata. O, diba? Ayan, meron pala din sila. Toddler. Madami silang pambata, guys. Para kay Ellie. Asan na si Travis? Wala, ang cute naman ito kasi super liit. Ito 99 cents, oh. Totoo ba yan? Ang hirap naman malaman ng price. For Ellie, babe. I know. I don't get the price, really. Tama ba yung nila?
What are we missing?
Mm.
They got a lot of onesies.
Yeah. We need onesies. Ito ang cute, oh. Tignan nyo, guys, ang cute. Right here, babe. Look at this. Because we don't have small ones. We have a few small ones. Maybe this one.
Must be really small.
Okay.
Well, I mean, for 99 cents.
Yeah.
They have a couple of them.
Right? Ang cute naman ito.
There's a like toddler in there.
cute. Right here, newborn. Oh, look at this, babe. Like a robe. $3.99.
Puma.
Let me see.
Little Puma.
Yeah. But that's
But
for
I mean, this
babe.
is for toddlers.
Look at this. 99 cents. Panlalaki naman to. Meron din sila mga dress, guys. Madami silang dress. Yeah. Look at this. $2.99 lang.
That's nice.
Only $2. Like, ang cute. Ang cute niya, Tapos lagyan mo lang ng pang ilalim na t-shirt. Ang dami nilang dress, guys. Ito rin ang cute, oh. Babe, this one is cute. Look at this. Babe, look at this.
Yeah.
It's cute, right? Tingnan natin kung magkano. $4. Ganda niya, guys. Maganda siya pang summer. Nalhin ko ba? Wait lang. Hanap pa tayo. Ganda talaga siya. Parang gusto ko siyang bilhin. Sige, bilhin natin. Tapos maghahanap ako ng jacket para sa work sana. Kaso ilang araw na lang pala. Maglilib na ako. Itong mga bibilin ko is para sa summer na. Ang cute. Cute nito. Diba? Ganda niya. Ano pa tayo mga beshi? Gusto ko yung ma-press ko sa katawan. Ito may mga coat din sila. Magkano code nila? $10. Tingin pa tayo. Ang cute ng mga jacket. Pang baby. Lalaki ata ito eh. Tapos may mga sapatos sila, guys. Tingnan natin yung presyo ng sapatos nila. Hindi ko maintindihan presyo nila. Do you like this, babe?
It's nice.
Do you like it?
If you're gonna wear it.
Huh?
If you're gonna wear it.
Yeah, for summer. What is this? Mga pants. Babe, you're looking for pants, right?
These are girl pants.
Yeah. Really? Ito, may mga books sila, guys. Okay, ito lang bilhin ko, guys. At kami ay uwi na.
Speaking of,
Hi, guys! Binili ko yung dress kasi baka mamaya pagsisihan ko pag di ko binili. Charot! Binili ko siya. Isa lang yung binili ko kasi nagandahan talaga ako dun sa dress ba. Pang summer. Maganda siya pang summer. So, yan. Pauwi na kami, guys. And ayun lang ang vlog natin for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Happy Valentine's, everyone! They didn't even greet me for Valentine's.
yes, I did this morning for breakfast.
Oh, ginlit niya ako. Sabi ko sa kanya, "Babe, may mga chocolate sila tapos tapos bulaklak." Sabi niya, "Nag-bake ka ng brownies. Brownies na lang kainin mo." Ayaw niya kasi ako.
You don't need chocolate. You're
Yeah.
pregnant.
Ayaw niya ako pakainin ng chocolate.
You're on a strict healthy diet while you're pregnant.
Diba? Naghigpit siya talaga ngayon sa akin ngayong pero pagkatas natin mga anak, no? Pero kahit after ko mga anak, kasi kailangan ko pa rin mag-ingat kasi mag-breastfeed ako, guys. So, yun lang, guys, ang vlog natin for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye!